why some bold designs don't work, and how to keep things innovative without losing profit. Let's explore that together. Today, we are diving into 3 groundbreaking audio products that are pushing the boundaries of innovation. Welcome back to the Voga channel. I'm Net, your go-to for everything UI and audio software design. Should we call every fancy car a design innovation? I mean, look at today's Teslas, Mercedes, and BMWs compared to the cars of the 90s. They all have 4 wheels and similar speeds, right? So, what really makes something truly innovative? Innovations don't happen overnight. They unfold slowly and steadily. Even the boldest and most revolutionary ideas might take decades to become commercially viable. Take the Yamaha DX7 synthesizer, for example. It sold over 100,000 units in the 90s, but it wasn't until the next decade that it truly earned an innovative label. Initially, users appreciated its convenience and agility, but it was quite different from all its analog forerunners. Professionals soon realized it was a technological marvel. We might think that the commercial success of a product is a benchmark to measure its innovation. Consider the DX7 ancestor. It wasn't profitable, but a crucial stepping stone for a new product line. That is what it takes to turn a bold idea into innovation. The world is full of bold ideas, but only some really catch on. Take the artificial intelligence. All AI has been around since the 50s, but it's only recently caught the public's attention. It takes decades of work to get here. That's how innovation unfolds. Now, let's talk about audio plugins. To call one innovative, we must look at everything it offers, not just the design. Have you heard about the Live plugin by XLN? It's an excellent tool that turns noise or sound into a beat. It also works smoothly with other platforms and software for pro sound production. Let's look at its UI. XLN was the first to make it work, using smartphone recordings on the go for the later production on a PC. Sure, there were similar products before, but none of them went viral. Moreover, the UI of Live really suits its audience, featuring unique elements that make it stand out. Take a look at its ad campaign. It targets amateur sound makers, people eager to experiment and challenge the norms. That's probably why all the complex settings have hard-to-read labels. Users typically stick to the main features, focusing on the primary controls without getting distracted by the advanced settings. XLN implemented the idea brilliantly. While other developers might see it as a pilot project and skimp on details and UI quality, XLN went a different route. They focused on marketing and rolled out an impressive ad campaign. Do you think that making quality music requires only professional tools? What was your software purchase for audio production that you consider innovative? Let me know in the comments. Let's dive into another incredible audio plugin. This app has reshaped sound design completely. What sets it apart? For starters, it includes built-in AI software. It enhances your sound with AI and replicates it using a synth, all without needing a network or cloud. And that is Synthplan 2 shows the sound output as a DNA, a molecule reflecting how it generates multiple sound variants from a single core, much like AI software produces various outcomes. It's a simple, visual explanation of AI content generation, a brilliantly innovative approach. The time has come for the Synthplan to shine. Its quirky style hits the fandom spotlight with the AI art wave, the revolution in technology, art, and design. As such visuals become trendy, developers are quickly catching on and adapting. Have you experimented with the scene plan before it became popular? What's your take on its unique UI? Let me know in the comments. And the final for today, let's take a look at iZotope 11 bundle. It has AI at its core. I wouldn't say it's the best approach to innovation, but users like it for its convenience. Ozone has been collecting stats for years on how users work with its plugins. Now, AI knows all the popular settings and the results they could yield. It can analyze your content as a breeze and fix your mistakes, ensuring it sounds excellent. Users are happy as they quickly make professional tracks with AI. We have no idea where Ozone AI pulls its data from, but does it matter if it condenses audio production to just a few seconds? If you subscribe to multiple iZotope products, you can switch to their AI-powered platform instead of using separate apps. It automatically picks the best plugins for your needs. Pretty cool, right? And what do you think of such a move from iZotope? Let me know in the comments. Even though this UI doesn't quite match my taste, there are plenty of reasons to stick with this layout. It's designed around functionality. This software targets professionals and it has a layout reminiscent of a Tesla cockpit. It is simple, intuitive, straightforward, but that is exactly what I don't like here. Yes, it is driven by technology and functionality. iZotope used to go with green gamma to make their products look high-tech. Do you recall TC Electronic Finalizer? Well, it seems familiar to me, yet I might be mistaken. There were many interfaces with green domination. Such technology were popular in the 90s. And what do you guys think of all modern software that look the same? Let me know in the comments. So, what's the takeaway from my video? Most bestsellers are quite boring. Innovation requires time, multiple attempts, MVPs, failures, and significant expenses. Bold ideas alone aren't enough without effective marketing. Often, those who innovate watch others attempt to replicate their success, usually without same fruitful results. There are plenty of cool, innovative ideas out there that have yet to find their market or audience. Go ahead and Google the topic. You'll find a bunch of fascinating and quirky plugins with non-standard designs, like Propeller Heads tablet app by Reason Studios or Playbox by Native Instruments. Wondering why I didn't include them into this review? If you are interested, I might cover that in my next videos. In the meantime, let me know which products that you've recently came across you consider innovative, and let's discuss it in the comment section.